Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. Khyree Jackson, 24, an NFL draft pick for the Minnesota Vikings, and two former high school teammates, Isaiah Hazel and Anthony Litton Jr., died in a car crash in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. The crash involved three vehicles, with Jackson and Hazel pronounced dead at the scene and Litton dying at the hospital. Maryland State Police suspect alcohol played a role in the incident. The Vikings, devastated by Jackson's loss, praised his bright future and positive impact. Jackson, a standout at the University of Oregon and Alabama, was drafted in the 4th round of the NFL draft in April. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.